Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create your new Apple ID on your brand new iPhone. Now, if you've just in the setup process, then this page will pop up, which is the sign in page where it will ask you to put in your Apple ID. Now, to use any of the other Apple products in its ecosystem, you definitely need the Apple ID. So make sure you make one if you buy a new iPhone. So once you're in this screen, if you don't have an Apple ID already, you can create it directly from here. All you have to do is click on forget or don't have an Apple ID option. Once you tap on that, you'll get these three options. Click on create Apple ID. Once you tap on that, it will load up the first name and last name page. As you can see here, it has loaded that. Put in your details. Once you put in your details, then it will ask you the kind of Apple ID that you want. You can either use your phone number as your identification or you can use an email ID. Now I'll click on use email address, and as you can see, these were the names that I put in initially, and it has already created an account for me at iCloud.com. You can either do this or you can use an existing email, which is like a Gmail or a Yahoo or a whatever you want. So once you've decided the kind of email that you want, let's say I want to continue with Apple's own email, which is at iCloud.com. I'll click on continue, click on create email address, and once you're here, type in the password. Once you've put in the password, click on continue, and now it will ask you for a phone number. And after you click on continue, you can tap on agree. And that's it. Now my iCloud account has been created, which means that. And that's it. I have now created an Apple ID successfully from my iPhone directly. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And there's another way you can do this is to go into the App Store. And you can see that it has already logged me in. You can tap on the top right corner and there will be an option where it says create account right here under the personalized recommendations option. So over there you'll see a create an Apple ID option as well. You can do it from there as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.